Saving money is a fantastic habit and a necessary foundation for financial health. But at some point, you might find yourself wondering if there's a way to make your savings work harder. This is where investing comes in. Let's explore how to transition from saving to investing with 5 simple steps that will help you take the leap confidently and effectively. 1. Clarify your financial goals. To start investing, it's essential to know what you're investing for. Are you building wealth for retirement? Planning to buy a home? Or just looking to grow your money in the long run? Each of these goals requires different strategies and timelines. Setting specific goals gives you a clear direction, helping you decide how much to invest and where to put your money. When you know what you're aiming for, it's easier to choose the investments that align with your vision. 2. Start with a simple, low-barrier investment account. Getting started doesn't require a complex setup or significant capital. Many beginner investors start with a simple brokerage account or even a retirement account like an IRA. Today, numerous platforms offer user-friendly accounts with low fees and no minimums, making it easy for beginners to invest small amounts. Opt for a straightforward account type and begin by transferring a portion of your savings into this new investment account. Even a small monthly transfer can make a big difference over time, helping you get accustomed to investing without overwhelming yourself. 3. Understand your personal risk tolerance. Investing involves risk, so it's important to understand your comfort level with market ups and downs. Ask yourself how much fluctuation you can handle before getting uncomfortable. For example, if you prefer stability, you might lean toward low-risk investments like bonds or balanced funds. If you're more open to risk, you might consider growth stocks or even sector-based ETFs. Matching your investments to your risk tolerance helps you feel secure in your choices, which makes it easier to stick to your investment plan over time. 4. Explore index funds for a diversified start. For beginner investors, index funds are an excellent way to enter the market. Index funds invest in a wide range of stocks across an index, such as the S&P 500, providing instant diversification with lower fees than actively managed funds. This diversified approach reduces the risk tied to any single company's performance. Index funds also require minimal maintenance, making them a stress-free entry point into investing for those new to the world of finance. 5. Commit to a consistent investment strategy. The real power of investing comes from consistency and patience. Set a specific amount to invest regularly, whether monthly, quarterly, or even annually, depending on what works best for you. Known as dollar-cost averaging, this strategy allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, which helps reduce the effects of market volatility. Over time, consistency can yield substantial returns, even if you start with a modest amount. Remember, it's less about timing the market and more about being in the market for the long run. Moving from saver to investor doesn't require a giant leap, just a few calculated steps. By clarifying your goals, starting with a simple account, understanding your risk tolerance, choosing index funds, and sticking to a consistent strategy, you can transition smoothly from saving to investing. The journey to building wealth starts with small, intentional steps. Remember, it's okay to start small. The important thing is to get started. Over time, you'll watch your money grow, and the rewards of investing will become clear. Start today, and make your money work harder for you.